Hi there! Today we are going to be showing you how to rewind an individual item from your vault. In this video, we will be using a customer as an example of what we are going to rewind. Depending on what you are looking to rewind, you can change the item type to apply to your scenario. Another important thing to know is that this guide applies to all platforms: Shopify, BigCommerce, and QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is log in to Rewind and get to your vault. Now, make sure you're on the All Items tab of your vault. There are two ways to find the customer. The first way is to type in the customer's name into the search bar. The second way is to use the Filters button to check off the customer's box. You can also use this filter to select the date range you are looking to restore your customer and select whether you want to view active or deleted content. When you've made your selections, click Apply. You should now see the list of customers appear from your search results. As you can see, the customers can be identified by name, their action, so whether they have been newly added, updated, or deleted, and the date of their most recent action. When you've located the item you want to rewind, click on View Versions. For a deleted customer, or any deleted item, the current version will look like this. The selected version side of your screen will show you all the available versions to choose from. You can view them by clicking on the drop-down menu. When you've found the version you're looking for, go ahead and select it. This page also shows basic information about the item you're restoring to give you an idea of what it looks like on the selected date. But if you want more information, feel free to click on the source view. Next is where the magic happens. Click on Restore to this version, and in a matter of minutes, the rewind is done. You will also receive an email notification when the rewind is complete. If for any reason your rewind has failed or it seems to be taking a little longer than usual, feel free to reach out to our customer support team via chat, email, or phone. For more information, visit help.rewind.io.